microwave, full kitchen. We got the 2 bedrooms. So we're just like walking around here at the factory outlet in Orlando, Florida. Looks cool. Okay, so this is our room. So we got, whoa, that's cool. So we got the full kitchen here. Microwave, full kitchen here. Oh, this is pretty cool. Wow, big fridge. Anyway, so this is our room. We got the 2 bedrooms, and this one is 2 bed, queen bed. I mean, we are only using 1 bed, but this is kind of nice to see a lot of spaces in the room. And the bathroom, this is pretty much like American hotel bathroom. Low bathtub. This is like really nice because if it's higher like the normal bathtub, it kind of like sometimes I feel like it's might be slippery or whatever, you know. And then oh wow, I always love the bright light in the room. Extra blanket, pillow, and the iron and the iron board. And then also here is kind of like the living room. I mean, it's too big for 2 people, but we take it. And then this room is also the same room. It's just different view, so we will take this one tonight and then leave the other one empty. And then the same bathroom, it's the same bathroom to the other one. And yeah, it's pretty much everything the same. So the reason we are taking this room, it is because of the view. It's a little bit different. I don't think it's a big deal though, but like this. So the other side I don't see a good view. I mean, it's the same. Well, let's just walk and see, and then you guys let me know if it's better or the same. So definitely the living room view is also kind of like the same to the other bedroom. Try to okay, so all right, so it's not different, it's exactly the same, to be honest. Yeah, anyway, we already choose to get that one, so let's settle in with that bed. It doesn't know us, right?
Just drive around again.
One more time. One more time. Not yet. Oh. It's just like a sick and high over there. It's right here.
What's up? Yeah. I was in and out.
You didn't realize that we were driving past by a few times?
Yeah. Yeah. No one.
We are now in the rice section. So that one is the long grain rice, like just for this $5. I think it's a little expensive for the rice, but yeah, here the what is this one, extra long. So this one is like $11 for how many kg or a pound, 20 pound, $11. So kind of really good price. Not really good price. I mean, as I'm Asian and coming here, I don't think it's a good price at all, but maybe it's good for America. Jasmine rice. So jasmine rice, like this kind of rice, is really good to make like a food and you know. So £5, it's about 2.5 kilos. It's $6. And then this is another Asian section, so like you can see what they have. Mostly I see a lot of Thai product, or kind of like an Indian, Japanese, or Korean. So that is the Asian section. Mostly rice. That's the jasmine rice. This one I always like to use with almost every food that I cook. Like even the pasta, I also use this one. So it's really good flavor, and it doesn't have like the SMG, but it's really good flavor. And then for this one, you kind of like add with the soup. And then this one they have like a chicken powder or the beef shrimp, something like that. So it's really good one, this one. So we're just like walking around here at the factory outlet in Orlando, Florida. So around this area they also have like mostly jewelry along this way, kind of like a little bit cheaper brand, but you also can just go to each. This one, Broke Brothers and Under Armour, Game Shop. It's kind of like a lot of good souvenir item here. Those are, how much is that? $8. Yeah, pretty much like $8 or $9 or $7. Cheapest, this is a cap and hat, 20. $27 for cap and the t-shirt. And then here, one for $99, two for $179. We are going into the Under Armour footwear here. Whoa, like this is super nice. It's pretty nice. Oh, this is even better. It's really cool. This looks cool. Kind of like a soccer shoes or what? Football. This is so cute, little kids shoes. So cute. $30 for that. And this is also pretty cool. Like really nice. Okay, so this is more like a rest shirt. Ooh, looks cool. Huh? If you are a big fan of the race car, it's here definitely. It's super cool to check it out. It's really nice though. Like this one here. Can you wear it? This one's pretty cool for a lady. It has like a flower. It's pretty cool. No, not too big. Nice. $99.99. Feels good though. This is probably the main area, is it? So this is probably like the main area, so where you can go to the food court here, or you can have a drink outside, drink and food outside. It's kind of like one of the activity that people come here to, you know, shopping, obviously, and then most of the time we are looking for like a clearance or 50% off, and but today we're just walking. And then this is the food court. So they got Asian Chaos, Wok Express, Charlie, and this side they got like a lot of poke, and then some pizza shop. They got a bunch. And then here, deli. So this is the free parking lot, but it's always full. But maybe kind of like drive around, and I'm sure you can find a free spot. If not, you can just
Turn
park
left.
over there, just like the pay parking fee. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching and coming along with us in this episode. Please give us a big like and subscribe. That would be a big help to grow our channel. And for now, you guys have a great day. Bye.